If you had one strategy that could give you an opportunity to list 84% of the listings that you went out on, would you be interested in that strategy? I'm going to give you that strategy right now because we've tested this in our office looking head to head against our biggest competitor, and we found that 2 years ago it was a coin toss. About 50% of the time we get the listing, 50% we wouldn't. Over the last 2 years, we've been able to transform that number to 84%. 84% of the time, we're winning in competitive situations. Why? Because we've implemented a strategy using a pre-listing kit. A lot of our top agents have adopted this. We're encouraging it at every level. So a pre-listing, electronically delivered kit to the client before you arrive is a game changer. Why? First of all, it eliminates your competition. If you're competing for that listing, they're going to get your pre-listing kit before the other agent arrives. It's very hard for the agent to overcome that pre-listing kit if it's well done. So what is a pre-listing kit? Well, it's a device that allows you to really talk about things that are sometimes a little bit challenging to talk about when you're there sitting with a client. For instance, testimonials. You can have them in there. The ratings and reviews that you've received on Zillow, Realtor.com, on Google Business, on Yelp. Another thing you can have there. You can also just have sample pieces of your marketing, and a history of yourself, like a mini resume and a mini resume of your team that gives a really deep bio about who you are, what you believe in. Maybe outline some of the community work that you've done in the local area. Things that, you could talk about, of course, but now you're going to lay it out for them so they can see it before you arrive. We'll speak to the character of who you are. You can also go into kind of a mini listing presentation if you want. Some people include a marketing plan. They include kind of a success portfolio of some other work they've done. They'll include some social media components that they've done in the past, some video, some photography, and even videography because it's an electronic device. Now, a great system to use for building this out is, of course, you have to get a graphic designer and build it out. A lot of people do it themselves, though, on like Canva, Adobe Spark, lots of places you can do it. And then they store it on Flip HTML5. Flip HTML5 is a place where you can store this document and then send it out to your clients before you arrive. Great system. Now, if you're looking for more ideas like this one, and you want to really get ahead of the competition in your market, you want to partner with a coach that can help you get there. And I'd like to be that coach that you interview for the job. So if you head over to eRealEstateCoach.com, we're giving away 2 free weeks of coaching with our system, the Path Performance Coaching Platform. It's a 16-week all immersive system that really walks you day by day through 16 weeks of transformation so you can really build the business that you deserve. But the first 2 weeks is free. We include live coaching in there as well. A huge amount of components, lots of things, and very affordable. So I'd love to have you go there, check it out. Have a great day. Good selling. We'll see you next time over at eRealEstateCoach.com and The Path.